Hello, new Caterpillar caregivers. My name is Uakea, and I'm delighted to welcome you into the world of monarch butterflies. You have a new addition to your family that's going to go through one of the most amazing transformations called metamorphosis. So with a little care and love, you'll be able to witness something great in nature happen right in the comfort of your home. So let's make sure you have all the supplies you need and that you feel ready to take on this new adventure. The first thing you'll notice is inside of your kit, you have some food provided for you. There are about 2 to 3 days worth of milkweed leaves inside of this Ziploc. They're pre-cut so that you can just take one piece out at a time when you do your feedings and changing out of the food for your caterpillar. You're going to want to keep this bag unzipped and inside of your refrigerator so that it stays moist and fresh. Go ahead and do that as soon as you get home. What you'll want to do next is make sure that your caterpillar is in a safe and clean environment. You'll want to find a flat surface where you're not getting too much heat or direct sunlight, but it's cool enough for your caterpillar to be comfortable all day long. Once you find that area, make sure that it'll be clear from people bumping it, especially your pets. If your cats or dog can get to it, that's probably not a great place. Once you've found your home, go ahead and set it up, and you might even want to put a little lamp next to it so you can do some great observations. Now, for the first 2 or 3 days, because we've provided you food, you're going to go ahead and start scouting your neighborhood. Look around and see if you find any milkweed plants. Your milkweed or crown flower plant is going to be on about a 4 to 8 foot tree that has flowers that are either purple or white. And what the butterflies do is they lay their eggs on the leaves. So this is the host plant and the only kind of food that your caterpillar will want and need. So once you've found a handy, helpful tree near your home, take note of where it is and just be sure it's in a safe place because you'll be visiting it quite a bit. Now, when you're at home, you're going to want to make sure you collect some supplies. Gardening shears or scissors of any sort will be very helpful for cutting up your leaves and making any new adjustments to some decor that you might have, like twigs. If you find old twigs around your neighborhood that might be great for allowing your caterpillar to climb and adventure through their home, go ahead and bring it home and see if you can arrange it diagonally throughout your carrier. Another helpful tool that you may utilize is a paintbrush. I use this to sweep away any of the frass or caterpillar poop to make sure that I'm not throwing away any baby caterpillars and easily brushing things off of crevices and leaves or around the carrier. And then if you have access to some sewing pins, like a needle, this might help for you to attach some new leaf cuttings to your twig so that way the leaf can hang kind of like it would in the caterpillar's natural habitat. So with all of that, just make sure that you have some paper towel as well. And that's really all you need besides your new caterpillar home for you to get started. All right, watch the next video for your day 4, 5, and 6 with your caterpillar.